guys, and welcome back to another video. So we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to start with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, put that all over my face. I'm also going to do my brows off camera, so if you guys wanted to know how I do my brows, just let me know and I'll make a video on that. Next, I'm just going to go on with this eye primer from NYX and just put this all over my eyelid. Then, just to create a blank canvas over my eye and get rid of any darkness, I'm going to go in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now I'm going in with some more Mercier powder just so my concealer is not wet from my shadows. Now I'm going with my MAC Studio Fix powder. I just put this all over my eye just to blend out my shadows a little bit easier. Now, starting with our first color, we're going to go in with this nice pink color from MAC, and we're going to use this as my transition color. So I'm going to put this a little bit above my crease. Next, we're going to jump into the new Huda Nude Rich palette, and we're going to go on with this deep pink color, and we're going to put this right in my crease. Now I'm going to cut my crease so I can make my eyeshadow pop that's going to be put on my lid. And I'm taking the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer again. Now I'm going to take this nice pinky champagne color and put this all over my lid. Now I'm going to take the darkest color from the palette, it's a nice plummy purple color, and we're going to just darken the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to mesh that color on my lid and the darkest color together. And then I'm just going to further blend out that dark purple color with the colors that I used first. So the matte color and then the first pink color from the Huda palette. Now I'm so sorry I couldn't insert a picture of this, but I'm using the Tarte Sweet Life liquid glitter. I just wanted to make the color of my lid pop a little bit more and just to add a little more glitter to the look. Now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to go in with the Amazing highlighter from Anastasia. And then just meshing that highlighter and that transition color together. And then this is how the look should look. I'm going to complete the other eye and then be right back. Now we're going to go in with my face primer. I'm using the Beauty Blender Leveler. It's a great pore minimizing primer. Then we're going to go in with Covergirl Trublend foundation. Absolutely love this foundation, matches me perfectly, and it keeps my oils at bay all day. Now I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer. Then I'm just setting that concealer with Mercier translucent powder. And then going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder foundation just to add a little bit more coverage to my foundation. Then contouring my face with the Morphe bronzer in Showmance. And then going in with Burnt Pepper blush from MAC. Now I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm going in with that deep purple color and then the first pink color that we used from the Huda palette. Then I'm just going to tightline my waterline with this black liner from e.l.f. Popping on some Lilly lashes in the style Miami. And then going in with the new IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout. It's an okay mascara. I feel like it does clump a little bit. And then going in with this Urban Decay eyeliner in Torch, we're going to start my lining my lips. Now going in with this Tarte liquid lip in Front Row. And I felt like the lipstick was a little too light, so I'm just going to outline my lips in True Brown K from Kylie. Then just to pop some gloss right over that, I'm going to go in with this gloss from Ulta's collection. It's called Princess. It's kind of like a peachy pink color. And then just a final spray of All Nighter from Urban Decay. And this is the completed look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell so you know when I upload the next video.